Hi there, this is a short video to tell you what to expect if you become a subscriber to the channel.
I could lie wide awake and leave my head up in space. Countless nights and days when you are far away, and I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. Make it worth your all the things I would do just to get close to you. There's something about the way you move, and I try to follow you. And I know that it's hard, but stay with me tonight. 'Cause when you fall apart, you know I will be around in sunlight or in the night. I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. Make it worth your while. In sunlight or in the night, I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. Make it worth your while. I'll make it worth your while. Make it worth your I'll make it worth your while.
If you like what you've seen on this video, then go ahead and click subscribe down below or just over here on my face. Up here is a video that you can go and check out. Watch out for next week's video, that'll go live at 4 o'clock on Sunday. But all that's left now is to say, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.